out there.
Yeah, roger that.
Cast and you're right, it just go end up in the air.
Yeah, roger that. There you go.
Oh, Roger, right.
Ah, so, what's the weather like out that way?
Blowing.
Yeah, you can't be happy with that.
Yeah, no, it's not too bad, at least it's blue skies.
Yeah, roger that, roger that. So, big one, eh? Big load, big load?
Nah.
Ah, roger, roger.
Yeah, the river's all fucking shitty looking, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I had a look at it before and it didn't look the best.
It looks worse now.
You definitely can't be happy with that.
Oh, Roger, love.
Aye. So, you excited?
Not even at work yet.
Roger that.
About halfway.
Ah, roger, roger.
Okay, blowing right over.
Yeah, roger.